So I'm trying to get like ready for grid life this coming weekend, and I actually took my diffuser off. I have a Evil Subie Customs diffuser, the version 2, aggressive fins, all that stuff, and I actually took it off, and I found out that my diffuser is pretty much like destroyed. Guessing, of course, it all happened in the track because I really don't daily the car, and I really haven't had, like, you know, no sounds or anything like that while I'm driving around the neighborhood. But at the track, I have gone off a couple times and, you know, go through the dirt, hit the rumble strips pretty hard, and I'm pretty sure that that's when I actually have hit my diffuser a couple of times. I have here my Evil Subie Customs diffuser all in pieces because I took it out because I need to kind of fix this up right up. And I'm going to show you the big main piece right here. I don't know if you guys can see this little watermark right there. There's a reason why the watermark is there, is because it's completely bent out of shape here, and right there. Pretty sure I hit a couple times there, and then if you guys see the other side, it's bent also there. Now this piece right here is the piece that goes like to cover the back part, so air doesn't actually go in like on top of the diffuser. And look how it is. It's bent right there, bent a little bit there. These pieces right here, as you guys see, this also pretty much destroyed that little piece right there. It's not bent like the other stuff except that little down piece. The end pieces are not bad at all, just the same thing with this little pieces right here. I'm pretty sure this is all like tires and all the debris and all that stuff hitting this little corners right here, so it kind of loses the paint a little bit. Good thing this is aluminum, so it doesn't really rust if it loses the paint. So I'm going to show you on the bottom of the car, that little black part right there, that's a little bracket that holds the diffuser. It attaches to the rear sway bar, and also, as you can see, it's all bent out of shape. That's the thing that holds those little two bottom pieces that were really bent. That's the lowest part of the diffuser in my opinion, but they're actually sitting like right next to the tire, so whatever the tire goes up, the diffuser will go up, so it shouldn't be hitting anything. It doesn't really hit no speed bumps or anything like that, but I'm guessing depending on like what you hit underneath the car, you might hit it. Like I said, I've never had any problems with the diffuser daily driving at all. It doesn't hit anything. Maybe if I hit like roadkill, because my car is a little bit low, I might slice the roadkill. You never know. I'm going to be putting my diffuser back on, but before I do that, I am going to try to bend it back in place. I'm going to put it on the floor, hammer a couple times to at least bend it back into a better shape than it is. It's not going to be nice and straight like if it's brand new, but it's something. I'm going to bend it back. I'm going to clean it because it's nice and disgusting before I put it right back into the car, and then that's one whole video there.
Yeah.
which actually kind of warmed it. I actually broke a sweat hammering those little pieces down, but I think it got them pretty good, pretty straight. I thought it was going to be more of a, you know, more of a problem, maybe they weren't going to get as straight as I wanted them to be, but they are actually pretty straight. So this is the bottom, the main piece. This was the piece that these two corners were the ones that were the worst, that were really bent, and as you can see now, it's not perfectly straight, but it is actually pretty good. Same thing with this piece. This piece is the piece that actually goes right here, and as you can see also there, I actually got it pretty straight too. And then these little pieces too, right here. The fence, not the fence, the corner pieces, they weren't bad at all. So good thing I found my little block of wood, and I actually used the wood to kind of get leverage, and like, I don't know, with this it was happening sideways right here. So now I'm gonna do is clean this up and start installing it right back into the car. Before I finish up my diffuser, I actually want to show you guys my this is my ducting. This is my I'm kind of like doing getting it, I'm trying to do a ducting that is like perfect for the intercooler, so I can actually block off this sides right here, this side, to kind of force air into the intercooler. So I'm mocking this up to kind of make a template for my aluminum composite before I do, you know, put it here. So this is what I have so far. I'm now actually working on it now because I need to put the diffuser in and to move the car back actually, and then I gotta keep doing it. I might have to kind of put more material this way here, because you guys see right here, you can see the part of the bumper right there, and then also more material here, and then kind of make a smaller little ducting here to force air into there. Also, I need to do something on the sides here to block off the sides and the top, so I can actually you know, not let air go through the sides or up in here, and actually force all the air into the intercooler and up to the radiator. So this is something that I've been working on since last night and yesterday and today. I got this done so far, and hopefully I can actually get something done really good and good looking too. And also I have to make like a little slit here because I need to get my strap through it. I'm not gonna have, you know, I gotta have like a little slip here so I can actually have the strap come through there, because I have to have a tow hook location. So this is what I have so far. It's gonna be bolted to the bumper here, there. Here is L brackets that I'm gonna be using here to bolt it to the bottom part. This still needs to be, this part is probably gonna be closer to the back. I just have it like that because it's kind of like a little bump here in the middle, so it's not like sitting flush straight. So there is a part in the bump in the middle that I'm gonna have to shave off a little bit to kind of make sure that it fits back nice and flush all around it. But just stay tuned for this. I'm working on this hopefully today when I move the car out. But let's get the intercooler, let's get the diffuser cleaned and installed. All right, so I have my rear diffuser already cleaned out. There's some parts here that are kind of a little bit damaged. I already put the side corners in, and if you guys have been following me for a long time, I already have an installation video for the rear diffuser, so I'm not going to go step by step how to do it, but really quick. It's really easy to do. There's like 2 holes in front which go in these bolts that they actually give out. You pretty much go through the bolts and then bolt it back in, and then it bolts up in the back, and then the other pieces, the little small pieces, they're too small, like in each side, 2 small bolts and nuts in each side, and that's pretty much how you connect it all together, which is pretty simple. actually all installed, complete, unvented. It took me a while to figure out the rear part. Kind of forgot the way that, you know, the brackets go and then the back part goes. So everything's pretty good there. It's all bolted up pretty good, nice and tight. Oh, actually I forgot, the middle part is not actually tight, so I got to tighten that up right now. But yeah, but everything is installed as it should go. So before that I actually end this video, I'm going to take my WRX out of the driveway and then the STI out of the garage. For those that actually been waiting to see how the car looks when it's dropped down, I'm going to be about to drop it because I need to take the STI out of the garage to start working on the front air ducting of my intercooler. So I need space because I have a huge mess in the garage and I have absolutely no space to cut my aluminum composite and you know, trace it out, all that stuff. So I'm going to take the WRX out and then the STI. This one baby exhaust. As always, I have my garage helper here that does absolutely nothing. Winter, move back. Get back. Get back, Winter. Ah, stepping on your tail. Get back. Get back. Whoa. Whoa. That's how the car actually sits. I'm gonna try to go from far away. I feel like maybe I could drop the front just a tad bit and just a little bit, but it's you know, I don't want to go too low because I don't want to be rubbing, and then you know, with all the downforce that the splitter actually creates, it actually you know, puts my front end down and my back end down also, so it's right there. And then that's what I'm going to be doing next. So I don't know if I'm going to be recording that for next video because I got to focus pretty good on that. And then that's pretty much it. And then putting the splitter back on. I got to go to the store, buy some materials that I actually need, and then it is done. So this is where I'm going to end the video. I hope you guys enjoy my little fixing of my destruction of my rear diffuser, and then just keep watching for next videos. I'm trying to do all this prep before Grit Life, and Grit Life, it is just a couple of days. It's next weekend. Today is Monday, so I gotta actually be ready by Friday, and I still need to get in a car to get a line, wash the car because it's filthy inside and out, and I still gotta put my racing seat back on, my harnesses, all that stuff to actually get it completely ready for Grit Life. And then there's like little stuff that I gotta fix here and there so they don't break later on. That's pretty much it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, just give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, just click that subscribe button for more videos like this, and I see you guys on the next one.